be seeing series of pranayama and asanas which will help us find that deep rest. We can do this after a long and tiring day or after a heavy workout. We all need this rest, and this series and this episode is meant to get you into that deep state of calm and rest. So let's get going. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Palms on the knees, facing the sky. Spine erect, shoulders relaxed, and a gentle smile on the face. Take a normal deep breath in and relax. और एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और पूरी तरह से श्वास बाहर. नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम के लिए जो बायां हाथ है वो चिन मुद्रा में होगा. द लेफ्ट हैंड विल बी इन चिन मुद्रा. दिस इज चिन मुद्रा. जेंटली प्लेस इट ऑन योर लेफ्ट नी. बाएं घुटने पे रखेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा आगे नहीं या पीछे नहीं, जस्ट प्लेस इट ऑन योर नी. And the right hand is in Nasigra Mudra. Keep your spine straight. The index finger and middle finger is between your eyebrows. Thumb is on the right nostril. Little finger and ring finger is on the left nostril. मध्यमा और तर्जनी दोनों भुवों के बीच में. अंगूठा दाहिनी नासिका पे. छोटी उंगली और अनामिका बाईं नासिका पे. एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और पूरी तरह से श्वास बाहर. One more normal deep breath in and breathe out from the left nostril. Gently tap the thumb so that you close the right nostril and breathe out left. Now breathe in left and breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. We will continue with the alternate nostril breathing. बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. बाईं नासिका से सांस लेते हुए दाहिनी नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. दाहिनी नासिका से सांस लेते हुए बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. कंटिन्यू. लंबी गहरी सांसें जैसे कि एक खूबसूरत से गुलाब के फूल का सुगंध ले रहे हैं. Long, deep, gentle breaths as if you're smelling a beautiful rose. Continue. Breathing out from the left nostril. Relax your hand, relax your palms. बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते दोनों हाथों को विश्राम दे देंगे. And slowly open your eyes. We will begin with a cooling down pranayam, which is Bhramari. ओके, सो वी विल सी हाउ टू डू भ्रामरी. हम भ्रामरी प्राणायाम देखेंगे. तो भ्रामरी के लिए सबसे पहले हम तर्जनी को लेंगे, द इंडेक्स फिंगर, एंड देयर विल बी अ सॉफ्ट टिश्यू नियर योर ईयर्स. हाँ, हमारे कानों के पास एक सॉफ्ट टिश्यू होता है, वहाँ पे हम हमारी उंगली रखेंगे. हाँ, रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी रखेंगे, चेहरे पे मुस्कान, और जैसे ही हम एक सांस लेंगे तो हम हमिंग भी साउंड करेंगे. ठीक है, सो आई विल डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट एंड देन वी विल ऑल डू इट टुगेदर. ओके, सो टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन and holding the breath you will gently tap your finger to that tissue and we will do the humming bee sound. Relax. So we are clear with this movement. So let us all do this together. Hands in position, eyes closed, spine erect, shoulders relaxed. Take a normal deep breath in and exhale. Breathing in for Bhramari. Relax. See that the mind is settling down, the body is settling down. Let's do it one more time. Hands in position. Breathing in for Bhramari. And relax. Slowly open your eyes. The third round we will do it in Shanmukhi Mudra. So for Shanmukhi Mudra, first we will take the index finger, तर्जनी को आँखों पे रखेंगे. Place the index finger on your eyelids. The middle finger is near your nostrils. नासिका के पास मध्यम उंगली है. Then the अनामिका जो है, the ring finger is between the nose and the lips. And the little finger is on the chin. ठीक है, छोटी उंगली तोड़ी पे है और अंगूठा उसी ईयर फ्लैप पे है, उस सॉफ्ट टिश्यू जो कान के पास है वहाँ पे हमारा अंगूठा प्लेस्ड है. सो दिस इज नोन एज शनमुखी मुद्रा. लेट अस ऑल कम इन दिस पोजिशन. कीप योर स्पाइन इरेक्ट, शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स्ड. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन. Let's do the humming bee sound. Gently press your fingers in. And relax. Let's get ready now for Bhramari in Shanmukhi Mudra. Hands in position. We will gently tap the fingers as we do the Bhramari sound. Okay, so let's take a normal breath in and exhale. Breathing in for Bhramari. And relax. Let's do some relaxing poses now. Let's lie down on our stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाएंगे.
hands by the sides. Your forearm is on the mat, feet together. और धीरे से ऊपर आ जाएंगे.
Look up and smile. Stay there. Keep your spine straight and keep breathing. Long, deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out very slowly. Now we will cup our hands. Place your chin between your palms and then slowly move your feet up and down. जैसे बचपन में हम करते थे. Very, very relaxing. Just remember in your childhood how carefree and relaxed you were. Just let go of any tension that is there in the mind, in the body, and just be with the moment. And relax. Hands go down, chin is on the mat. Slowly take your hands at the back, interlock your fingers, the index finger is out in steeple position, and lift your chest and hands. Stay there. Stretch out. Keep smiling. And relax. विश्राम करेंगे. Slowly turn over on your side. Keep your body straight like a pencil or like a scale. This is Vishnu Asana. Stay there. Keep your body straight, aligned, and relax. We will do a variation now, Raj Vishramasana. So take your right foot forward and straight. You can place your right palm on the mat. The right foot is facing outwards straight. Keep your body aligned and then slowly lift your left leg up. Stay there. Keep breathing. Stretch out as much as is possible. Keep smiling. Stay there. Stretch. Use your breath to stretch your left foot a bit more, pointing it outwards, and relax. Vishram karenge. We will do it on the other side, opposite side. We will begin with Vishnu Asana. Body is straight like a pencil. Stay there, keep breathing. Now slowly place your left hand forward and take your left foot out. And raise your right leg up. Stay there. Raja Vishramasana. Stretch out, pointing it outwards. And relax. Vishram karenge. Slowly lie down on your back. Slowly lift them up. Point your fingers towards yourself and keep your legs straight. Stay there. Keep breathing. Slowly lift your hands up, chest up. Stay there. Stretch your hands out. Engage your core. And relax. Hands rested down and feet down. Bend your knees. We will gently move the knees right and left. First towards the right and then center, left and center. We'll do it 3 times. Right, center, left, center. One last time. Right, center, left, center. And slowly rest your feet down. You can gently take attention to your right foot, right knee, right thigh, whole of the right leg. Take attention towards your left foot, left knee, left thigh, whole of the left foot. हल्के से अपना ध्यान दाहिने पैर पे ले जाएंगे और फिर बाएं पैर की ओर. Take attention to your pelvic region, your groin, your abdomen. Take attention towards your chest. अपना ध्यान पेट की ओर ले जाएंगे, छाती की ओर ले जाएंगे. Take attention towards your right hand. दाहिने हाथ की हथेली, दाहिनी भुजा. Slowly take attention on the left side. बायां हाथ, left palm, left elbow, left arm, the whole of the left side. Take attention towards your neck, your face, your ears. Behind your neck. अब अपना ध्यान सिर की चोटी पे ले जाएंगे. Take attention to the top of your head and relax.